So now I'm going to take this a step further. I've also asked it to write me the video description that you're watching right now based on this information. So it just shows you how you can really use this tool to do multiple different things at once. Now I'm going to take it a step further. It's already written out the image names. What I'm going to ask it to do now is write me the image alt text for each image based off of the pictures that it looked at. So here it's writing out the alternative text. Now the next question that I'm going to ask it is to remove the quotation marks and the word alt text so I can easily copy and paste this into the website. So this is something that would have otherwise been done by hand, and I like to do these by hand. The only issue is I type really fast, and also I do a lot of spelling errors. So I'd rather just have this machine do it for me. And what I'll do is as I'm pasting these in to the website, I will then optimize them and tweak them around. So this is something to keep in mind with AI content. It's best to always give it a once over and change it and make it a little bit more unique. This way it really stands out. Now I don't think it wrote all of it. Let's see, continue generating. There we go. Finish. Okay, great. So now it's written the image alt text. Next question I'm going to ask it. Great job. Good job. Can you remove the word alt text and the didn't do what I want. So alt text, quotation marks. So now it's just writing out the image names without all the extra fluff. So I can copy this whole doc. I can copy this. I'll probably put this on a Google Doc, and then I'll paste these names in one by one. And I'm actually going to ask it to do the same with these image names. So I should have talked about this in the last video. So it can remove the .jpg from the image name. I'll ask it to do it right now, actually. Now, this is something you might want to double check. This may not be all of the image names, so I'll have to double check that as I'm doing it. So here it didn't really do a good enough job. I'm going to try this again. Now I'm showing you this so you guys already can see the mistakes that this thing makes, and you can plan accordingly, you know, and you can use your own responses accordingly to save time. You can do this faster than I'm doing it. Oh shit. Oh man, I messed up. Go back. Where? Send. There. Is it doing it? There. So now it's rewriting these image names without the .jpeg. This is going to allow me to easily copy and paste this stuff without having to worry about deleting anything. So there you go. I've just written out the image alt text, which you see here. I've asked it to clean it up so it's easy for me to copy and paste. And I've asked it to do the same thing with all these image names here. So this is ready for me to put on the website.